Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in this video, I'm going to teach you on how you can change your primary email on your Facebook. So this is a quick and easy process and you can do it on your phone or computer. So let's get started. First, you need to go ahead and launch your Facebook or Facebook Lite application on your mobile device and log into your specific account. After that, tap on the three lines in the top right corner of your screen and then scroll down and go to Settings and Privacy and then select Settings from the drop-down menu. From here, you need to open the Account Center. Then after, select Profiles and Personal Details. And here you'll get the section of Account Info under Personal Details. Go ahead and select it. And there you'll get the email that is associated with your Facebook account listed. You can go ahead and select Add Email Address from the bottom of the screen and enter a new email address that you want to. Select your Facebook account and then select Next from the bottom. Then after, you need to go ahead and enter the confirmation code that has been sent to your specific Gmail account that you just entered. And after that, you need to go ahead and delete the previous email. You've successfully changed your primary email address on Facebook. So if you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.